हेलो एवरीवन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप सभी को ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग यूकेपीएससी एई एग्जाम विच इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टुमारो। एंड आई होप आप सभी लोग इस एग्ज़ाम को बहुत ही अच्छे से एंड कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ देंगे, बिकॉज जितने भी आप तक की अभी तक प्रिपरेशन हुई है, एंड आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स जो अभी अपेयर हो रहे हैं दे हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन द प्रीवियस एग्जाम विच वॉज कैंसल्ड। सो कहीं ना कहीं आपको कॉन्फिडेंस लेके अपने साथ जाना है इस पेपर में। एंड दिस पेपर विद विच यूकेपीएससी स्टार्टिंग ऑफ इट्स ए एग्जाम्स, इंग्लिश और हिंदी बहुत ही बेसिक पेपर्स होते हैं। इसमें अगर आप एक अच्छी लीड बना देंगे और एक अच्छा टेम्पो आपका सेट हो जाएगा एग्जाम में, तो आगे के जो आपके दिन हैं आने वाले, उनमें आपको बहुत इजी रहेगा कहीं ना कहीं स्कोर करना, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू इंश्योर योर सिलेक्शन in the finite merit list. Alright students, then all the very best for your upcoming exams, and in this particular video I'll be discussing around 200 questions related to your English paper of UKPSC AE which is starting from tomorrow. So I'll be discussing around 200 questions. अगर आपने ये questions already पहले देख लिए हैं जो कि previous year में भी कई बार cover किए गए हैं, so you डोंट नीड टू वॉच दिस वीडियो। बट हाँ, अगर आपने कभी भी इंग्लिश के यूकेपीएससी ए का पेपर नहीं देखा है तो आप इस वीडियो को जरूर लास्ट तक देखें, एंड बहुत ही क्विकली आपका एक रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा, सो दैट टुमारो यू विल बी एबल टू सिक्योर मैक्सिमम इन योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पेपर। ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, देन लेट्स बिगिन। पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट से पूछा गया है, व्हाट इज द विच इज द करेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच पूछी है ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस, शी सेड आई डिड माई वर्क। तो इसका हो जाएगा शी सेड दैट शी हैड डन हर वर्क, विच इज ऑप्शन बी। ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज विच इज द करेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। देखिए डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट पे सवाल आ रहे हैं, तो दिस इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड इसके एक बार रूल्स पढ़ के जरूर जाना। राम सेड टू सीता हु आर यू। सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा राम आस्क्ड सीता हु शी वॉज। ऑलराइट, विच इज ऑप्शन सी। Moving on to the next question, my friends dashed the prime minister yesterday. Saw the prime minister yesterday, which is option C. Superannuation refers to retirement, which is option A. फिर से आपको देखो एक और क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच पे। द टीचर टोल्ड अस डोंट राइट ऑन द टेबल, द टीचर फॉरबेड अस टू राइट ऑन द टेबल। फॉरबेड का खुद ही मतलब होता है अब मतलब मना कर देना, तो फॉरबेड अस नॉट टू राइट ही तो हो ही नहीं सकता। द आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन ए, to turn down. Correct meaning of to turn that down, it means to reject. A white elephant बहुत बेसिक है एंड बहुत बार पूछा जा सकता है। A costly and useless thing, idiom, sort of an idiom. Unless he will ask me I shall not help him. Correct the following sentence, इसको करेक्ट करना है। Unless he asks me I shall not help him, which is option A. Next is the campers dash their tent at the base of the mountain. ऑलराइट, सो इसका करेक्ट फ्रेज जो और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ब विल बी पिच्ड द टेंट। पिच द टेंट हम यूज करते हैं। आई ट्राइड टू रन अवे फ्रॉम द पुलिस स्टेशन बट आई वॉज हैम्पर्ड। हैम्पर्ड यानी कि मेरे को प्रॉब्लम हुई उस चीज से। हैम्पर्ड बाय माई लॉन्ग कोट, विच इज ऑप्शन बी। अगेन फिल इन द ब्लैंक, डैश ही वॉज देयर एज अ बटलर ऑल्दो ही हैड कम टू स्टील द ज्वेल्स। द आंसर इज ऑस्टेंसिबली, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। One word for somebody beyond correction or improvement. This is incorrigible, which is option A. बहुत ही बेसिक है एंड बहुत बार कई कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स में ये वर्ड पूछा गया है, सो दिस इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शी टुक 2 weeks to dash the shock, to get over the shock, which is option D. If the summer had been dry, the harvest would have been better. The answer would be option B. Next is you dash how on a hot day it is often cooler under a tree than inside the building. The answer would be you must have noticed, which is option B. Antonym यानी कि opposite of the word sanguine. The answer is pessimistic. Sanguine मतलब optimistic, so opposite पूछा है antonym, it would be pessimistic. One word for liable to make mistakes. This is fallible, and infallible होता है who doesn't make mistakes. All right. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 18. My sister is cooking dinner every evening. Correct form of the sentence हमें यहाँ से पहचाननी है। माई सिस्टर कुक्स डिनर एवरी इवनिंग। बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश में आपके पूछे गए हैं। बहुत केयरफुली आपको क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है, अकॉर्डिंगली आंसर करना है। अगर आप जल्दबाजी करेंगे, हड़बड़ी करेंगे क्वेश्चन पढ़ने में, तो हो सकता है आप बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन को गलत करके आ जाएं एंड दिस विल अफेक्ट योर स्कोर। तो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी ना करें। बहुत ही कामनेस के साथ अपने पेपर को अटेम्प्ट करें, पेशेंटली एंड टेक योर टाइम। टाइम आपके पास इनफ है 100 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए। We have to select a word which is opposite in meaning to disgusting. This is pleasing, which is option C. Next is complete the following sentence by choosing the correct option. If he comes today, tell him to see me, which is option A. So many servants attended dash him during his prolonged illness. Attended on him, which is option B. Preposition वहाँ पे बढ़नी थी. One word for a man with abnormal habits. This is eccentric, which is option A. One word for a speech delivered without any previous preparation. This is extempore, which is option D. A book published after the death of the author is called posthumously. Posthumously बहुत सारे awards भी award होते हैं, तो from there it has been derived. Fill in the blank choosing the correct form of verb. 300 miles is not a short distance, hence the answer would be option A. Next is choose the synonym, यानी कि पर्यायवाची जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, of the word redundant. Redundant is superfluous, which is option C. The expression pros and cons means for and against a thing, which is option D. By the time evening arrives, we dash the task at hand. We will have finished the task in hand, which is option C. Next is appropriate option in agreement with the subject. One cannot really understand another country until dash studied its history and culture. Under one has studied its, what is the term for a group of dancers? This is troupe, option D. Turnover, meaning of the office term turnover, total business done by a company in a year. Alright, this is A. CC stand for in office communication. This is carbon copy. बहुत ही basic question. Correct option से fill करना है. It dash if you had not caught it. It would have broken. Option C. Synonym of the word meticulous. It is painstaking. Next is fill in the form with the correct option given below. Dash poems he has written are all of great excellence. The few poems he has written are all of great excellence. Next question. Question number 36. Point out the correct sentence. Alright. Always he is at home on Sundays. He is at home always on Sundays. He is at home on Sundays always. He is always at home on Sundays. तो आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में चारों ऑप्शन पढ़ने एंड देन बहुत पेशेंटली देख के अटेम्प्ट करना है. ऐसे नहीं जो ही आपको सही लगा एंड आपने उसी में गोला भर दिया, वहाँ पे करेक्ट बबल भर दिया. नो, पहले देख लो ऐसे ऑप्शंस में, सारे ऑप्शंस देख लो, फिर जो मोस्ट फिट ऑप्शन है उसको टिक करो. हेंस योर आंसर हियर वुड बी ऑप्शन बी. करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन बिलो. The answer would be he dashed to go to the gym regularly before his accident. So the answer would be he used, which is option A. Tight-lipped. This is refusing to give information. Appropriate phrasal verb. There is no point in asking Tony to help on Sunday. He always lets us down, which is option B. Suitable phrasal verb. Let's just dash what we want to say at the meeting once more. Let's just run through, which is option B. Next is correct sentence हमने choose करना है. The more they get, the more they want, which is option D. अब पैसेज है यहाँ पे, तो पैसेज के मैं आपको आंसर बता देता हूँ, एंड यू कैन रीड दिस पैसेज. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके अगर आपको अटेम्प्ट करना है, सो यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर पैसेज एंड देन अटेम्प्ट दिस पैसेज. मैं आपको इसके करेक्टली आंसर्स बता देता हूँ सो दैट यू कैन टैली ऑन लेटर. द आंसर टू 42nd इज C. 43 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका D. 44th का आपका जो आंसर होगा दैट विल अगेन बी D. 45th वुड बी A. 46th वुड बी give the noun form of sensibly. This is sensibility. Give the opposite of responsible by adding a prefix. This is irresponsible. Next is which of the following is not an abstract noun. This is your family. It is a collective noun. Alright, you should know that it is a collective noun. Next is what does leisure time indicate in the given passage? 49. This would be option B. Point out the correct reported speech of the following sentence. Don't spill it on the carpet. He was told not to spill it on the carpet, which is option C. Alright. Next question. Fill in the blank with suitable verb. The old beggar was bitten by a mad dog, which is option C. Next is the word utensils is closest in meaning to cutlery, which is option B. These flowers smell sweetly. Substitute करना है correct option से. These flowers smell sweet, which is option B. He asked me what the shortest way back was, which is option C. The word expose is closest in meaning to display. Suitable form of verb. Had she worked hard, she would have passed, which is option D. They insisted to go to Kanyakumari. They insisted on going to Kanyakumari, which is option C. Another word for business tycoon is magnate, which is option B. Passive form of the following sentence. Who killed the tiger? By whom was the tiger killed? Which of the following verbs is not followed by the preposition for? This is acquiesce. Which of the following gives the meaning of the idiom walk on air? This is to be very happy, which is option B. Next is dash she tried, she could not adjust to life in a hostel. Much as she tried, option A. Correct form of the verb, this knife is too blunt, you need to sharpen it, which is option C. करेक्ट ऑप्शन से फिल करना है. दिस यंग वुमन हैज बीन अ ट्रेपीज आर्टिस्ट ever since she was 4 years old. So answer would be option A. Correct prepositions to fill in the blanks. She lives at C13 in Vikram Apartments, Agra. The idiom by the dint of means by means of. The gate dash opened. The gate was opened. Next question is the opposite of bravery is cowardice, which is option C. Which of the following sentence is correct? He died of grief, which is option A. Which of the following gives the meaning to destroy completely? This is annihilate, which is option B. Next is he helped the drama club in staging the new play. The interrogative form of this sentence, यानी question form में आपको पूछना है did he help the drama club in staging the new play, which is option B. Moving on to the next question, fill in the blank with the correct option. He generally dash at an odd hour. He generally turns up at an odd hour, which is option C. Next question is choose the correct alternative for changing the following interrogative sentence into an assertive one. Interrogative into assertive change करना है. Who does not love his country? Everyone loves his country, which is option A. One word for one who hates women. This is misogynist, which is option B. Antonym of malicious, यानी कि opposite बताना है. This is kind or benevolent, which is option A. Next is give the synonym of compendium. Compendium का synonym, this is your collection. Correct form of the verb as given below. We have to fill it. Either Mohan or his friends have made mistake. Either or से जब भी connected हैं, so the verb agrees with the latter subject. And this is a question from your subject verb agreement, which is an important topic. तो subject verb अग्रीमेंट के जो रूल्स हैं एक बार उनको भी देख के जाओ, ऐसे डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट के रूल्स को देख के जाओ, एक्टिव पैसिव के रूल्स को देख के जाओ. ये तीन तो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. प्रेपोजिशंस तो आप वहाँ पे ऑप्शन देख के भी कर सकते हो, करेक्ट भी कर सकते हो, बट ये जो तीन एंड में कुछ रूल्स होते हैं तीनों के, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट एक्टिव पैसिव एंड सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट, इनके तो रूल्स आप पक्का पक्का देख के जाओ अपने एग्जाम में. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक विद एप्रोप्रिएट डिटरमाइनर गिवन बिलो. डैश पीपल हैव कार. A few people have car. The alpha and omega. The meaning of this idiom is beginning and end. The idiom a snake in the grass means a hidden enemy, which is option A. Next is the synonym of provoke. Provoke is excite, which is option D. Find the correct meaning of the following idiom, a man of straw. This is a man of no substance, which is option B. Next question is choose the correct option to fill in the blank. The company set up a dash to assist the customers, clients communicating with them. Help desk, which is option A. One of the following proverbs means the same as a stitch in time saves 9. This is prevention is better than cure, which is option B. He was head and shoulders above the rest in the class means that he had no equal, which is option C. To turn turtle means to capsize, which is option A. Antonym of zenith is nadir, which is option D. Next is the synonym or the word fragile is brittle. Children dash obey their parents. Children should obey their parents. The antonym of judicious is foolish, which is option C. Next question is what is netizen driven society? This is a society making the optimum use of interest. Next question is a room where plates, pots, etc. are washed. This is scullery, which is option C. अब देखो jumbled sentence दे रखा है and you have to pick the correct order. अब how you should attempt these kind of questions. पहले तो देखो तीन ऑप्शंस में आ रहा है पहला ऑप्शन, तो आई वुड गो विद दैट. देख लेते हैं. वन मस्ट बी कॉशियस दैट, अब आर के बाद क्यू, वन मस्ट बी कॉशियस दैट दे आर नॉट डिजायरेबल एट एनी प्राइस. ये कुछ सेंस बन नहीं रहा. वन मस्ट बी कॉशियस, ये वाला ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. सी ऑप्शन, वन मस्ट बी कॉशियस हाउ एवर डिजायरेबल be the results on investment, they are not desirable at any price, which is option C. Hence this will be the correct answer. Give the synonym of the word venom. Venom is poison, which is option A. Very very basic word. She is vexed with me. Vexed के साथ हमेशा with होता है. This is your preposition. And next question is Suresh is worthy of remembrance, which is option B. Next is the writer and teacher. ये एक ही पर्सन की यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. अगर यहाँ पे एक आर्टिकल इंसर्ट होता the writer and the teacher, then there would have been two people. And आपका जो है यहाँ पे प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होती है, बट एक ही टीचर एक ही पर्सन की बात हो रही है बिकॉज देर इज ओनली वन आर्टिकल. द यहाँ पे है सिर्फ. सो द आंसर वुड बी द राइटर एंड टीचर इज डेड, विच इज ऑप्शन ए. दैट ओल्ड हाउस इज बीइंग ऑफर्ड, क्वेश्चन नंबर 98, फॉर सेल. सप्लाई द करेक्ट वर्ब. इफ आई डैश यू आई वुड फॉरगिव हिम. इफ आई वर विद यू, if I were you, sorry, I would forgive him. A person fond of sensuous enjoyments. This is epicure, which is option A. Alright, moving on to next question. And your next question number 1, fill in the blank space by picking out the correct preposition. अब फिर से preposition का यहाँ पे एक question है. Question देखते हैं. She sat next dash the prime minister in the VIP enclosure. Next to the prime minister. Correct phrasal form of the verb. The new principal has dash many changes, has brought about many changes, which is option D. Appropriate preposition, you must dispense dash his services. Dispense with his services. Phrasal verb, he had promised to come over but he never turned up. Correct meaning of the idiom, turn a deaf ear to. This is your disregard. Option C. Next is, I have been working dash 4 hours now. For 4 hours now. Correct meaning of the idiom, to take stock of. This is to survey, which is option C. Next is subject verb agreement. The captain with all his soldiers is waiting for the orders. यहाँ पे इसके साथ agree कर जाएगा verb, so answer would be is. Correct preposition, the moon doesn't shine by its own light. Correct option, the portrait was painted dash a famous artist who flourished dash the 16th century. By a famous artist who flourished in the 16th century. Alright. Next question, correct meaning of the idiom, a wild goose chase. This is a vain attempt. Appropriate verb in agreement with the subject, none dash so deaf as those who will not hear. None are. Option B. The new computer system dash next month is being installed. Next month. Will installed तो हो नहीं सकता. Is be installed कुछ होता नहीं है. Is being installed कुछ होता नहीं है. Hence most appropriate here would be option C. ये भी आपको इस तरीके से भी कुछ क्वेश्चन करने हैं. Among the following sentences, find out the sentence with wrong subject verb agreement. Wrong पूछा है. Each day and each hour bring its duty. This would be wrong. To eat humble pie means to apologize humbly. Option A. Next is correct option for the underlined part. No sooner he had arrived. तो आंसर इसमें आपका हो जाएगा no sooner had he arrived. Alright. This is option C. Next part is either my own son or those children dash all the flowers have picked, which is option B. How pretty is this baby? Assertive में इसको convert करना है. This baby is very pretty, which is option A. Next is सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. 6 miles इज अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. देखिए एक क्वेश्चन पहले भी ऐसा ही आया था. अगेन रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन. ही अग्रीड टू डैश माई ऑर्डर्स टू कैरी आउट माई ऑर्डर्स, विच इज ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट इज पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना है. हु कॉज दिस एक्सीडेंट? द आंसर वुड बी what caused this accident. So what was this accident caused by? Complete the following sentence. Mr. Sashi Nandan and Mr. Hemwati Nandan dash to move the resolution. Are to move the resolution. Is हो नहीं सकता. Shall to भी नहीं होगा. Will to भी नहीं हो सकता. तो आंसर would be A. Next question is assertive में convert करना है. Oh that she were living to this day. I wish that she were living to this day. Assertive form, how cute she is. She is very cute, which is option C. Again, superlative degree of the following sentence. No other flower is as sweet as the rose. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Appropriate model. She dash to obey her elders. She ought to obey her elders, which is option D. Passive form, our grandmother told us stories. We were told stories by our grandmother, which is option A. Next is pick the simple sentence form of the following sentence. The man who wrote this book was a teacher. The writer of this book was a teacher, option C. Appropriate model. Walk few lest you dash miss the train. Lest you should miss the train. Lest के साथ हमेशा should आता है. Answer is option C. Following sentence into passive voice. Call the waiter on duty. Let the waiter on duty be called, which is option A. Choosing the correct form. All the candidates will dash a test on Friday. Will take a test on Friday. अब यहाँ पे हमें वो segment identify करना है where there is an error. So the best way to learn an musical instrument. गलत हो गया ना. An क्यों आएगा वहाँ पे? So the answer would be option B. Again, error वाला segment identify करना है. Everyone says that he is now enormous rich. अब this is again same. Enormous rich कुछ होता नहीं है. So answer would be option C, which is 3. Again, error identify करना है. We are not in a sufficiently rich, sufficiently strong enough. ये कुछ होता नहीं. Sufficiently strong enough. So answer is option B. Now is complete the following sentence by choosing the correct option. The murderer, ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं, was caught and hanged. आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन एरर का सेगमेंट आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ही प्लेज द गिटार रिमार्केबल गुड फॉर हिज एज. अब यहाँ पे रिमार्केबल गुड, रिमार्केबली गुड होगा. सो आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट इज करेक्ट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस चूजिंग द एप्रोप्रिएट फेज. वी डैश अ डेस्क टू राइट अ लेटर. वी सिट एट अ डेस्क to write a letter. All right. Next is spot the segment containing an error in the following sentence. फिर से error पूछ लिया. इस टाइम पे questions बहुत error के आए थे, तो एक ऐसे भी questions आप try करके जा सकते हो if you have time. Can I have one little more rice? ये कुछ होता नहीं है. Can I have one? This will not be there. So answer is option B. Next is again error. The party was excellent and I would like to thank all the concerned people. The error part is, which is option 4, hence answer would be option D. Moving on to the next question, pick out the correct negative interchange of the following affirmative sentence. I found that book very interesting. So answer would be option C. I did not find that book very interesting. Now, 41 to 60 are all related to comprehension, and this is the comprehension. You can take a screenshot of this particular comprehension, read it, and then accordingly answer all the questions, which are 20 number. ठीक है, मैं आपको जल्दी से इनके आंसर बता रहा हूँ so that you can match 41 to 60. So the answer to 41 question would be option C. The answer of 42 would be your A. Then 43rd question, there will be again be A. 44th. Moving on to 44th question, this will be your D. Moving on to the 45th question, 45th question will be A. Next question is again a passage. You can take a screenshot of this passage. I'm pausing the video here. Yes, take a screenshot and then attempt. I'm just telling you the answers. 46th का आंसर आपका जो हो जाएगा that will be D. 47th का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका D. Next is 48th would be C. 49th का आपका आंसर हो जाएगा B. 50th का आंसर आपका हो जाएगा again B. Again you have a comprehension. I'm just slowing down the video and you can take a screenshot and then accordingly attempt it. Screenshot आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. All right. So yes, now coming to the questions. Question number 51. 51 का आपका जो इसमें आंसर हो जाएगा that would be option A. 52 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका option D. 53rd the answer to this would be option C. 54th का आपका आंसर हो जाएगा option B. 55th question the answer to this would be option A. 56th का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका option D. Then we come to the 57th question. 57th would be option A. 58th would be option D. Only 3 is false. 59th will be option C. And 60th question, which is the last question of comprehensions, this would be option D. Alright, let's move on to question number 61. Of the media listed below, which is generally not used for intra-organizational or internal communication, this would be letter, which is option C. Which of the following initiates the process of communication? The answer to this particular question would be A, which is sender. Next is, compared to email, instant messaging offers greater speed and is less susceptible to privacy problems, which is option D. Find out the word nearest in meaning to the following word. Inadvertent. So the answer to this question would be option C, this is unintentional. Word nearest in meaning to ex post facto law. This is your retroactive, which is option B. Indirect form of, the doctor asked the patient, did you eat anything this morning? The doctor asked the patient whether he had eaten anything that morning. Next is indirect form of, he said, oh, that's a nuisance. He exclaimed that it was a nuisance, which is option A. Next is hurry up, he said to his servant, do not waste time. He asked his servant to hurry up and not to waste time, which is option B. Indirect form of, he said, let us wait for the reward. He proposed that they should wait for the award, which is option C. Direct form of, he asked Rama to go with him. He said to Rama, come with me. Find out the part which is an error. By the time we reached the classroom, the first lesson had almost ended. The answer would be option, this one, which is option C. Next is 4 parts of a sentence and you have to arrange them. So the answer here, let's see. Mr. Simon, however, tried to answer in English and failed to get the message across effectively. So yes, answer would be option A. Next is conditional sentence, choosing the correct option of the following. Unless he asks me, I shall not help him. If I were a millionaire, I would donate generously. He said he would not come unless he heard me, which is option A. Next is correct sequence of the following parts to form a meaningful sentence. This would be option A, never accept eatables or drinks offered by fellow passengers. Suitable word for the following: one who is unable to pay one step, this is insolvent. Choose the correct form. It is 14 years since I saw him, which is option B. Next question is select the right pair of words to be filled in the blanks to make the sentence meaningful. Our latest battle plan covers some projects aimed at saving the Earth's biological diversity, option B. If he were a year older, he would be eligible for the post, which is option A. Correct form again: Churchill, the statements and the writer is no more, which is option A. Correct order of words from the following: this would be your option C. He refused to relieve the lame beggar with a frown on his face. If water freezes, it turns to ice, which is option D. Next is one who leads an austere life is called ascetic, which is option D. A person who thinks positively about life and things, this is optimist. Next question, correct sequence of the following parts to form a meaningful sentence. देखिए आप यहाँ पे सब O से begin हो रहे हैं, then you just have to try. So the correct answer to this would be option C. Next is correct form of the verb: the introduction of reforms was not liked by him. One word for of one's own free will. This would be option C. Moving on to the next sentence, he dashed lunch at 12:30 p.m. yesterday, but he dashed it at 2 p.m. today. Had and will have, the answer would be option B. Synonym of morale, this is your confidence. Next question is correct sequence of the following parts to form a meaningful sentence. Here it would be again सब में O है and then Q भी सब में है, so इसको तो मैं पहले क्रॉस करता and then I would have checked. The answer is option B. Moving on to the next question, substituted for the following given word phrase, a speech delivered without preparation extempore. पहले भी पूछा गया है, same question is repeated. Antonym of the word prosperity is adversity. Antonym यानी कि opposite. Appropriate homonym यहाँ पे डालना था. She is adept in the art of painting, which is option B. Next is the correct proposition you have to choose. The public is cautioned against pickpockets, which is option B. Next is she dash her mother. She takes after her mother. Synonym of the word paucity is scarcity. हम बोलते हैं ना paucity of time, वहीं से derive हुआ है. Do you think the crops will turn out well this year? Sorry, option would be D, correct option. Pragmatic यानी कि practical. अब antonym बोलना है तो unpractical इसका हो जाएगा. Last question is correct answer. Run into means meet by chance, which is option D. So with that we come to the end of our discussion of English questions. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to our channel and do share it with fellow aspirants. And I hope कल जब आप अपना पेपर देंगे तो बहुत ही पेशेंस के साथ, कामनेस के साथ उसको अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. लास्ट में मेरी एक यही एडवाइस है, जो 4 टॉपिक्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. वन इज सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट, ऑल राइट. सेकेंड टॉपिक इज योर डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट. थर्ड टॉपिक इज एक्टिव पैसिव एंड फोर्थ इज प्रेपोजिशन. इसके बिसाइड्स ईडियम्स भी देख सकते हैं कुछ जाते जाते अगर ईडियम्स देखने. बट ये 4 जो टॉपिक मैंने बताए हैं आपको, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट, एक्टिव पैसिव एंड प्रेपोजिशंस, ये तो बिल्कुल आप पढ़ के जाएं. अगर आपने एक भी अभी तक ग्लांस नहीं मारा है तो एक बार इसको देख सकते हैं एग्जाम में बैठने से पहले. ऑल राइट एस्पिरेंट्स, देन ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड आई विल मीट यू टुमारो विद द आंसर की ऑफ योर एग्जाम. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर टुमारो.